Study showing that states that have legalized recreational marijuana have seen an increase in car crashes. This new data comes just weeks before both Michigan and North Dakota are set to vote to legalize recreational use. Our Washington correspondent Jessica Smith has the story.
A new study links legal weed to an increase in car crashes. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety looked at police reports and insurance claims in Colorado, Washington, and Oregon and found since legalizing recreational marijuana, crashes spiked as much as 6% compared to neighboring states.
There are road safety consequences.
But cannabis attorney Sarah Gersten pointed to a 2017 study that found no increase in fatal crashes after legalization. She says legal weed often means fewer drunk drivers on the road.
We're seeing, a move to using cannabis, which compared to those other substances is much less impairing.
This month, the National Traffic Safety Board announced a wreck in Texas that killed 13 people last year was caused by a driver under the influence of marijuana and prescription drugs. The NTSB warned the rising tide of drug-impaired driving did not begin with this driver, and it will not end with him.
We need the medical research community in addition to others, to help us understand what it means to have THC in your system.
There is no legal limit for THC, and breathalyzers to test for it are just now being developed. Marijuana activists argue legalization would speed up that process.
Because marijuana is still prohibited on the federal level, that also has an impact on researchers, scientists being able to conduct studies.
The NTSB and the IIHS say law enforcement needs better tools and training to deal with drivers under the influence of marijuana. In Washington, Jessica Smith, News 4 Utah.
The IIHS also conducted roadside surveys and found while drunk drivers are usually just out on the roads at night, people are more apt to drive under the influence of marijuana at all hours of the day. They're also more likely to have a child in the car with them than drunk drivers.